My baby, my Valentine. Can I you to make you what temperature do is? If you leave me a good time, I swear. You are like the oxygen I need to survive, I'll be honest. Long way